This magnificent seat cover set is the perfect fit for any vehicle, and the most exquisite design for any noble king or queen. Our royal faux leather seat covers are designed with comfort in mind and engineered to accommodate traditional, heated or cooled seats. They are backed with 3mm of breathable foam which disperses heat, keeping you relaxed and comfortable. The rear seat covers offer both solid or split bench seat options, and a mesh extension is included to cover the exposed sides. The built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle's seat controls, including seatbelt buckles and center console and cup holders. To top it off, the back of the bucket seat features a slip pocket to store your personal items, and special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. Treat yourself to luxury like never before with our majestic royal faux leather seat covers. Choose from 5 colorful designs and personalize your ride today.